Hey guys, my name is Payda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Zara haul. Don't even know why I bother saying that. Hope you like the dress. It is from Zara itself. I got it in the sale, I think like March time. It was $5.99. I love a good deal. So yeah, let's get straight into this haul. I am getting you guys holiday ready because this is beautiful. It's perfect for a really hot holiday. I would love to wear this like in Greece. I think I want to do it now. Once I sort out my money. The other thing is that I do want to go back to work and I'm not sure when I would start working, so that's why I haven't booked anything yet. I may be going to Prague in July, but I haven't booked it yet because I don't know if I want to go back to work. But yeah, this would be perfect in Greece. I love the colour. I tried the green one as well. I don't know which one I like more, this one or the green. I think they're both gorgeous. Super nice, light material, very breathable, quite conservative as well. You can choose how much boobage you want to show. So if you want to cover up, you can button it all the way up to the top. Oh, you can take it down, be a bit sexy. Elastic at the ends, I like that. I like the belt as well. Just something different. Yeah, it's so cute. And a good price. It's £33. I think that's reasonable for this. This is so stunning. I think it's perfect for like a wedding, but this definitely smells. Like not in a bad way. It smells like aftershave, like after a man. So I think the person who either wore this either had a lot of perfume on or may have worn it and hit the tag. Anyway, as you are, girl. Only thing is, it is quite big, but I love the colour, I love the fabric, and then the pleated effect is gorgeous. I'm wearing my bunny ears, and they feel really good. I love that. Oh, that's how stunning is that. Price-wise, it's £60, size extra small. It's got a lovely twirl to it. Nice fabric, nice thick fabric, very conservative, but fun. I love the colour. I think it's gorgeous. I like the hair as well. I think this would be a nice hairstyle with this. But yeah, definitely size down because it is quite big. So even as an extra small, you see it's got a lot of room to it. This is a really fun playsuit. I am sorry because my boobies are falling out of it. So it looks like a dress. This material, so nice. Oh, I love it. But it actually has shorts. So yeah, quite nice and fun. Reasonable price is £33. I like the satin belt as well. The colour is gorgeous as well. That's the one thing about Zara. Why I think Zara stands out from the competitors is because their colours, their designs, they just go the extra mile to make things, I don't know, really nice. Of course they are more expensive than everyone else, but you know, they have good sales, I'll say that. And here's the back. So yeah, really nice piece. Maybe not quite for me though. It has a zip though on the side. I think you would need like a safety pin. But it just depends on your boob size. Next up is this beach cover up. I thought it would be quite nice, you know, when you're like on a boat, caravan, and you just want to wear your like bikini, you just want something over the top and just for the beach as well. I like the print of it. I am going to also show you how you could style it, so you could be like going out in town. A big juicy belt, that's all you need to turn something from to and then I would just pair it up with some brown wedgies, or you could wear sandals if you want to be a bit more casual. No pockets, but that's alright. The belt is from H&M and this piece is 50 quid and I got it in an extra small. I think you could probably get this in the sale, to be honest. I would wait for the sale. I really like it, but I'm going to wait for the sale. My only problem with these dresses is the boob area because my boobs just keep falling out. I love the print. It's so gorgeous, so vibrant. It gives me like 70s vibes. And then that back. Look at that, gorgeous. It's a size small. I got it in, and it's £30. I'm pretty sure it's a size small actually. Yeah. Well, yeah, I have to keep covering up my boobs because my nipples are literally going to fall out. But yeah, it's cute, but I just can't wear it. This is a really nice jumpsuit, again, for like a wedding. Only thing is, for me, it just doesn't fit nicely. I got it in a size small. I could size down to an extra small. Yeah, I think I'll try that, but then I don't think the hips would work, to be honest. Yeah, I think it's going to be a leave because the hips are just okay, but the boobage area is not really feeling it on the loose side. So I don't think this item is going to fit because I can't go up to a medium because this would be a mess, and I can't go down to a small because this would be a mess. And I'm not really feeling this cut out. I wish they could just left this and didn't cut this out. Fabulous material. For girls who maybe a bit bigger up here than small, perfect, and then for our slimmer girls, extra small would be nice. But yeah, I like it, but it just doesn't work for my body. And how much did I say it was? £60 or £55.99. Alright, that's the end of the haul. I hope you had a good time watching me try on clothes and give you my honest opinion about fabric quality and whether it's good to buy it now, wait for the sale. This item, it's just a personal preference. Because it doesn't fit me, it's easy for me just to return it. It depends on you. If you have an event, then yeah, I get it. If you're not, something else better will come out, to be honest. But yeah, that's the haul, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm so hungry, I'm gonna have lunch now.